Today, we are going to learn about something that we do on a daily basis, conducting a survey. Have you ever asked your friends, what is your favorite subject? Or what do you want to eat later? If yes, then congratulations! You have already done a simple survey. Hey there, loves! Welcome back to my channel. I am Jean Castillo de Jesus, a public school teacher handling English and research subjects. First, let's define what a survey is. A survey is a method of collecting information from different groups of people to know about their experiences, perceptions, preferences, or behavior. It helps us answer questions like, what do students think about modular distance learning? How many people prefer milk tea over coffee? Or what are the most common study habits among senior high school learners? Surveys help researchers, schools, and even businesses make better decisions based on data. Now, let's talk about the 5 easy steps in conducting a survey. Step 1. Identify the purpose. Before anything else, ask yourself, what do I want to find out? Example, you want to learn about the preferred learning platforms of your classmates. That is the topic or general aim of this survey. Step 2. Prepare the questions. Write clear and simple questions that relate to your topic. You can ask close-ended questions like, do you prefer Google Classroom or Messenger for class updates? Or open-ended questions like, why do you prefer that platform? Step 3. Select your respondents. Decide who will answer your survey, your classmates, teachers, or community members. Remember, respondents should represent the group you want to know about. Moving forward to the step 4, gather the data. Now it's time to collect answers. You can ask questions face-to-face, through paper forms, or online using Google Forms or social media polls. Lastly, step 5, record and interpret the results. After collecting the data, organize your response using a table or graph. Then, analyze it. What's the most common response? What patterns do you notice? This helps you draw conclusions from your survey. This time, let's review the 5 steps in conducting a survey. First, identify the purpose. Second, prepare the questions. Third, select your respondents. Fourth, gather the data. And fifth, record and interpret the results. See, conducting a survey is not that difficult. It's a great way to collect information, understand people's opinions, and make better decisions. So next time you're curious about something, don't just guess. Conduct a survey.